So let's draw the Chinese tower. We're gonna start from bottom, from top. After we're gonna go to the bottom. I'm gonna make a moon here. I like it a lot, you know. Really, just because I like it, I done it. So you can make another thing, and after we just need to make it just straight lines as any building. Just we have some other details like going under a little bit because we are making it 3D. It's gonna be prettier, much more than is it right now. So right now we should to make this thing going down here too. It's going down, going down, going down. Here it's gonna be ends of this stuff. So here we're gonna end this everything. Okay, here we should make a straight line. Here we're going a little bit up this point. We have done it, as you know, as you can see it. Here it's going a little bit longer, and top is here. Diameter. Okay, here we're making a straight line as it was. Here we're going up a little bit, and here we're making a straight line again. Straight line, a little going under. Here he's going up. Okay, we have done it. So let me make a little bit clear here and here. Okay, and adding some details, making the second line to make it prettier a little bit. After that I will make some details, so you can make just like straight line here and here, you know. So it's gonna take much more time. Here we're making stuff, straight line here, and straight line right there. Okay, and after we'll make just straight lines. That's it. That's everything what we need to do. Straight line after straight line. It's how it's working, and you can make it with any shape, anything. Just only I think I made a little bit. Here it must be straight line. Here it's going down a little bit, as you can see. Here we're making some things. If you make a mistake, you can easily fix it because you're making sketch. After that, you can fix it or somewhere else. So it's normally to make this. So to make mistakes, it's normally, I can say confidently. Speaking drawing is really hard, you know. When you're speaking and drawing, you're making two different things, and make it pretty can be hard. But I will try. Okay. After I will add some details. Here, thing is gonna lower. Just draw a straight line here. Again, in this moment, right now, right here, gonna be point. Going under, straight line again. It's going like this here. Going straight line like this. Okay, we have done it. Same things as we will make here. Straight lines going up and points. Here we'll make this line. You can make it higher if you want, you know, make more levels if you want, but a lot of levels. Honestly, I don't like it when they have so much levels that I cannot explain it, I cannot imagine it. It's really can be weird, you know. They are doing it sometimes because they like it. I think too much sometimes they make the levels, but that's okay. Everybody can make something what they want. Actually, make this thing going down a little bit. Straight line much bigger. Here is going here. Make this stuff to doing something like this and going here. Okay, everything is bamboo, so you know it's just bamboo here. And here we should make just some stairs to go up, or you can don't make it if you want. Just some stairs going here and here. That's it. So we should add some details as we have done it. Here just one door. It's gonna be big one. And here just, you know, straight lines right here, right there. So I will add some details, just straight lines, just shadows. Here and here, you can make it anywhere as you want. It's not bad. You can't make this art worse than it is right now. You have done everything what you have to do, and after you just adding details without any bad opinion. So let's make it end. I will show you the final result.